Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this glitter ombre nail look with black detail because I think it looks cute and I feel like sharing. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails. As usual, I'm going to paint all of my nails with the base coat. Doing 2 coats as usual, but you don't have to. 1 coat will do. But I always do 2 because, you know, I want to. Don't forget to wrap the edges. Next, I'm going to use 1 coat of this glittery gold color. This is going to act as a base underneath the ombre. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to add some liquid latex. So this is just going to stop you making a mess on your fingernail. Take your time and wrap around your nail, getting as close to the cuticle as possible without touching your actual nail with the latex, because yeah, I've learned the hard way that that can be a hot mess as well. But again, yeah, just as close as you can to the cuticle. Let it dry and you're on to your next step. So by now you're with a picture of 3 colors, making sure one of the colors is the same as the base that you put on your nail. In this case, I'm using gold, pink, and blue, and they're all like shimmery colors. Painting them on the sponge in an order that I want, usually lightest to darkest or darkest to lightest, and then start dabbing, making sure I'm getting it on all of my nails. Once all the sponging is done, you're going to peel off your liquid latex and hopefully be left with no mess. I'm telling you, this stuff is so handy. So I decided to use some acetone just to get rid of any excess nail polish that the latex didn't catch. I'm using a brush and just brushing around the sides of my cuticles. Okay, so next I used some sellotape and I placed it on the left side of all of my nails at a slight diagonal angle. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to use some black nail polish to add your black detail, and you're going to be painting between your nail and the sellotape. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, just have a look at what I'm doing. Then you're just going to peel off the sellotape and it should leave you with a black strip of nail polish. Ta-da! Okay, so now it's time to repeat that process, but this time on the right side of all of your nails. So again, placing the sellotape at an angle, slight diagonal angle, and then adding your black nail polish. Take your time, make sure you stay on the nail. If you overlap the sellotape, it doesn't matter, because obviously you'll be peeling that off. And now it's time to peel off the sellotape. And again, you're going to be left with a black strip of nail polish on the right side of your nail. Time for striping tape. So you're going to place the tape in front of the lines that you created, just in front. And the idea is to create a point at the tip of your nails. Once you've done that, you're going to cut off the excess and then add more striping tape, and this time you're going to place the striping tape diagonally across your nail, so you're creating an X shape in the middle of your nail. This can be tedious, but just keep going, you're almost there. Then you cut off the excess and you are on to your last step, which is to add a top coat. I use a quick drying top coat because I really have no patience and don't like to wait for these nail looks to dry, but any top coat will do. And there you go, you are left with this cute nail look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you didn't, well, I don't know what to tell you. If you want to see more nail looks or nail ideas, you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail creations. Bye!